What is up, guys? Today we are making another video.
Guys, I never got find my kitten thing. I usually won't.
Okay, so we are making a video. One single moment, just ignore that moment. Here we go. We will try. How about today we will play Natural Disaster Survivals. I like that game. Stepmaster Luke. That's what's by Stepmaster Luke. This is me from AidenFriend0456. I hope you're liking my video so far. I'm trying to make them so you will love them, so you'll like them as much as you want. Why is it 80 Robux? We don't need no 80 Robux. How does somebody have Rainbow Ride? Yay! Okay. Wait, hey, I want to be in one. Yay, man. One guy's glitching. One guy's about to fall out. One guy almost fell out. I don't know. Stay indoors. No, I'm not indoors. I'm not indoors. Help! Help me! It starts to rain, and I'm not indoors. No, no, guys. I'm gonna lose this. But I am only chilling, relaxing. But no, no! Yeah, this is gonna be hard. I'm changing the game. Okay, so you're making oh, easy. I love this music. I wish you guys could hear, but it doesn't allow you to hear. Hey, what? For real, I just wasted my time. And that was so easy. And I literally had to lose. Like the music. Sounds like it's from Boss Baby. What? We actually just went through this stage. Yay, double stage. Double easy stage. Da, 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 da. no, 1 minute. I gotta jump the tower. Get it? Stand for Tower of Jump. Only that I said I got to jump the tower. And let's make that another win. That's my... No! No! Okay, well... Ooh, here we go. So there. Look at me now. Da, da, da. So guys, we also gotta wrap it up. So, wrapping it up. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you later.